Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to WinTrader. In today's video, I will show you the performance of forex trading. How our software running version 8.1 support you in forex trading. For that, I opened this pair 𝐶AD/JPY, that means Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen and US30. So you can see in 𝐶AD/JPY, 𝐶AD/JPY, you can see the current market rate. This is the current market on above dashboard. You can see the current market rate, and this we are watching our running version 8.1. And this software we are marketing from 2009. From 13 years we are marketing this software, and we are updating the versions also. So currently the running version is 8.1. With this 8.1 we have a scanner 1.2 version, and we will soon release our new version. That is directly we are going to release our 10th version. In that also we will get to our new scanner 1.3. So in this, currently this version is 8.1. In this version you can see there is a green up arrow. This green up arrow is a buy signal, and this red down arrow is a sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. Means whenever software generate a buy or sell signal, there is an alert, there is a pop-up message will display in your screen with the sound effect. This alert message will come with the sound effect. So before taking the position, if it is buy or sell signal, you have to check the confirmation of the signal. So we don't need to take all the signals. So first we have to check the confirmation. Confirmation means if it is a buy signal, first you have to wait for the arrow to come. If it is buy arrow, the first confirmation it will show here like price in buy zone. That is the first and main confirmation. Second confirmation, below the arrow you can see there is a bar is here, that is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. Means it's checking the confirmation is very simple and easy. First you have to wait for the arrow to come. If it is buy signal, on below it will display like price in buy zone, and the second confirmation below the arrow, the bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. So this is the only confirmation. If these two confirmations are okay, then you can directly take the position in your terminal. So once you enter in the market now, once you enter in that trade, on below you can see the stop loss will display here, and this is a trailing stop loss. You can see now this trailing stop loss will display in the above dashboard, below dashboard, and on the left side of that trailing stop loss you can see target 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 targets. So as per this signal, actually we got a buy at a 99.54 and the time is 11:25 in today's date. And as per this signal, first target has been achieved, and currently it's slightly market price is going down, but it's continuing with the buy trend. Below the bar is also green and is still showing the price in buy zone. So market will be again, there is a chance market will again go up. So for example, we exit with the first target. After we exit from the market, if the market is 20 market, then the signal will continue. Means after we exit from the market, if the market is continue with the same trend, then software gives a opportunity to re-enter in the market. Re-entry means software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means software gives a new entry point and a new target. So in this place, currently you can see this re-entry suggestion is showing wait only. If the software gives a re-entry price, means re-entry option, in that re-entry suggestion box now there is you will get a new entry point and a new target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. So it's very easy to follow. It's all working with the real-time data. Then same strategy you can apply for all segment. If you are if you are a forex trader, or if you are a MCX trader or an NSE trader, you support all major financial market. Means with the one software you will get all the signal, all segment signals like MCX, NSE, cash, future options, currencies, agri, comics and forex. Our software support all major financial market, and it support scalping, intraday, short-term, long-term position trading. And it's all working with real-time data. And if there is a sideways market is there now, also you will get the indication. You can see in this chart the normal candles color. You just check the candle colors. Normal candles colors are for buy is red, for buy is green, and for sell is red color. Red candles will form. So apart from these two colors, some multi colors will show, like you can see there's a MD hollow candles there, there's a white candles there, and there is a blue candle, and some orange candles colors are there. So these are the indication of sideways. Means if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that is going sideways. So normal, just check it, normal candles colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, the multicolors will form. That is the indication of sideways. And also we can check that resistance support levels. You can see there's red stars are here now. That is a resistance level of the market, and on below you can see blue stars. That is a support level of the market. So you can see this resistance support level in the chart. And this is a running version 8.1, and you can see we have a scanner 1.2. The maximum capacity of this scanner is 75. You can add maximum 75 symbols in this scanner. So whatever symbols you are adding in the scanner, it automatically identifies the signals for you. So whenever scanner gives a signal, you have to open the chart and you have to check it whether the given signal is confirm or not. If it is confirm only, then you can take take that position. Otherwise, just ignore the signal. So it's very easy to follow, and we give a training session also, and how to use the how to use the software, all the features and functions, and how to add the symbols. You will get a training section also. And you can see this is 𝐶AD/JPY. We got a buy signal, and then same is continue. Currently the same signal is continue. If it is US 30, the buy, we got a buy signal, and this is a 50-minute. And it's we got a buy at 34,352.92, and the time is 7 in the morning. 7 we got a buy signal, and same is continue, already hit the 2 target, and is currently continue with the same buy signal. So it's following the signal is very simple, and it's all working with the real-time data. And currently you are watching live, and if you are interested to know more about our software, and if you are interested to check the live demo, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, and my number is 9061973737. In this number I have WhatsApp, official WhatsApp, and the bot number is also same. You can message or call in bot or WhatsApp. And www.wintradersoft.com, that is our official website, and that in that website there is a live support is there, live chat is there. You can come to chat facility, or you can use that chat facility also. And in that official website there is a review page is there, the reviews page is there, is there, and you can check that reviews page. That is the original reviews by our customers. So don't forget to check our reviews page. And if you are interested to know more about our software and for the live demo, you can directly contact me. And thank you for watching my video.